Let's talk about the Honor Vision and Harmony OS. The Honor Vision is Honor's new TV, and Harmony OS is Huawei's new operating system that it claims could be the replacement for Android should Donald Trump turn off the Google tap. But what's the TV got to do with the smartphone? More on that in the next few minutes, but if you're not already subscribed, please do. It's how you stay on top of everything that I do. Right, let's go chronologically. Huawei announced Harmony OS. This is a light operating system that's designed for an Internet of Things 5G generation. It's gonna be so light it'll enable things like smartwatches and smart screens and car dashboards to talk seamlessly. 24 hours later, the next day, I get my hands on Emotion UI 10, which is great. You can check out that video. But somewhere else in China, Honor announces a TV running Harmony OS. So yes, this is a smartphone potential operating system, but right now it's being showcased on smart devices. And Huawei is very clear. It's big on keeping its relationship with Google sweet. So for the time being, it has no plans to deploy Harmony OS to smartphones, creating a rival for Android. Is that a good thing? Well, for TV buyers, it probably is, because now there's a bit more diversity. The Honor TV or Honor Vision looks really sweet. It's available in two versions, the Honor TV and the Honor Vision and the Honor Vision Pro. The Honor Vision Pro has a 32 gig storage capacity and a pop-up camera, whereas the Honor Vision regular is 16 gig storage with no pop-up camera. There's about £100 or £120 difference between the two. The Vision is retailing at around 455. The Vision Pro at 570 or thereabouts. But what's very interesting is the Harmony OS inside. Quickly, I'll talk about the core specs. You've got a 55-inch screen, you've got a 1.6 litre sound cavity with 610 watt speakers, and you've also got, it's like 6.9 millimeters at its thinnest, 0.2 up to 4K resolution, HDR upscaling. The processor is a Hong Meng 818, I think it is, and Honor released that or announced that earlier, and it's capable of all kinds of cool stuff like decreasing motion blur. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs as a TV. Also, it goes up to 400 nits brightness as well. But really, it's the Harmony OS that's captivated me, because it obviously means the pop-up cam is cool, because you've got a pop-up cam on your TV and you can like video chat family members in a big room with great speakers. Thumbs up. But it also comes with an NFC contact point sticker. So if you tap on it, you can actually push stuff from your phone, whether it's a game that you just push and play, or whether it's a picture or a lot of other stuff. But there's even more connectivity that we haven't seen before. For example, I can use my phone's speakers as speakers for the TV, and if it's like a loud movie I'm watching, I can stick my headphones into my phone and listen if your TV didn't have Bluetooth. But actually, the Honor TV doesn't even need that so much, because it has Bluetooth and high quality Bluetooth. What's also interesting is that it can emulate what's going on the screen, so you can use your TV, your phone, as a TV control, and as a result, you end up with a more seamless interaction and experience between the two, and easier control. How annoying is it every time you come to type in a password on your TV and you are trying to use a fiddly remote control? The Honor Vision will effectively mean you don't need a remote control if you've got your smartphone, and more than that, if you do have a smartphone that's compatible with it, you can just push stuff across and it's going to be a very, very seamless experience, and that is what Huawei and Honor are going with Harmony OS. As for the look and feel, it looks like a TV operating system, so that didn't blow me away, but I can't wait to test out the functionality. If you've got any questions, please let me know. It looks like the Honor Vision is only going to be released in China in the next few months or weeks, but we haven't had anything on a UK release or a US release just yet. Like I said, questions, comment section below. Like this video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, stay on top of everything that I do. Bye.